is, and I'm here to show you data in general, data coding, blah blah blah. Anyways, onto the actual thing myself. honeypie.eynb, aka the thing I'm currently going to run for you is, as you can see, import pandas, which is, well, I forgot what pandas is, but it's a library, if I'm not wrong, a library. NumPy is, well, you know, another library. By the way, this doesn't actually need to be bamboo or py. I just named this for convenience sake. Anyway, df equals bamboo.read csv being the file, aka Austin Gamer sale is absolutely necessary because it is the name after all. By the way, reading it isn't actually reading it, it's just, you know, siphoning through the files. Like, let's say, what if you could read a book, but instead of like looking through words, you smash your face into it and suddenly it's in your head. It's just in your head. That's how computers read. That's why you have to literally plug in a USB. Anywho, df.info, aka the information. Now it is classified as a pandas.data frame with a range index of an ungodly 16,598 entries and 11 columns, because, you know, it's kind of a pain in the ass to load all of it. Anyways, if you're wondering what the hell is this, well, it's, you know, column is obvious, non-null count is, well, the amount that isn't 0, and then the data type is, well, integer 64 is like, you know, 64, or so, you know, 64 numericals transformed into words. String is, you know, normal things. Float 64 is more complicated because it's not integer 64, it's float, which is like a different variant that I don't want to explain. You know, string, float, blah blah blah. You get the idea. Also, the memory usage is kind of crazy, dude. Like 1.4 megabytes is like wild. For reference, most downloads for Excel and PowerPoints are like 500, 400 kilobytes, and 1,000 kilobytes is one megabyte. Like 1.4 megabytes is wild, dude. Like, and df is null.sum is just basically, you know, how much of it is 0. And as you can see, year, publisher, there's a lot that's, you know, screwed over. And so, yeah. By the way, the reason it's empty is because we do not want to get too specific, because like df is null publisher and sum, any number will specify, and we don't want specify, we just want to know how much is actually empty. And if you're wondering what the hell is Skippy, or what the hell does this mean, well, it's basically from Skippy, well, skippy.stats. Skippy is a library, and stats is obvious. Import mode. If you're wondering what mode is, I have no. If you're wondering what mode is, again, it's, you know, what we call, it's a predicate nominative. We call the data something else for some reason. You could put it back as pandas or numpy as numpy, but I choose that for the sake of it. df year equals df year dot fill, well, null df year mode dot mode 0. So, you know, if it's all filled, and then this is for the publisher, df.isNull.sum,
is here.
Let me turn up the volume a bit.
This is select an object that, or you can just write it down. You select the object.
It's not that.
You can see,
As you can see, it's now empty. So all of it's filled, and it's the data type is integer 64. Def year equals as type integer 64, which you can convert, yeah. Because over here there is float, and ideally we want it as integer 64. And Icarus.csv, by the way, is the a second one I made as a backup. Now import Seaborn. Now the important part is you do not want to capitalize any of this. For some reason it goes to hell if you capitalize it. Like, it is a pain in the ass to clean up. Like, it's just dead ass. Anyway, so matplot.lib piplot. Try saying that 5 times fast. Anyways, plt.figure fig size 1710. You can see what the figure is. Subplot 221. So it's obvious.
and that's about it.
And here's the thing. It just read it. Okay, hold up. Why did I add that? Yeah, I'm keeping it actually. Then the X label is here, which, and then the data is
you're done.
sales per year.
Oh, you're done. Okay, you are okay. Nice.
I picked an easy one.
What?
Now it is relatively short. Now, coding all this is a pain in the ass long. Let me show you.
Finish it for me, yeah.
Yeah, let me show you. Hold on. Where, let me show you. Icarus should be here. Where is Icarus?
I want to end it too.
If you're wondering, I'm gonna scroll through this as slowly as I can.
Oh no, I need to do it again.
Screw it.
Oh no.
Why?
It's because there's this song which I didn't think would go into the video. Oh no.
Sorry, what?
Because like before I had something playing in the background, and then it was on the video. It's like how could you do it?
Ah, okay. You play the song in your.
Yeah, when I was recording.
Yeah, this is Icarus.csv, aka the cleaned up version of it.
Redo it.
Which, yeah. I'm gonna close on that. There's a lot of this. I'll show you the older one. Faust Filth, which is just older.
Alright. Hello everybody.
Now it bugged out because it did not read as code here. So I had, which is why I imported it to a different file.
Way to
So, you know.
something change with using an object.
So I had to kind of
So this I think
do it again.
Yes. Get it. Okay. Alright. So first you select an object that you want
And
do something to the other object. And then you move it into this.
yes, I'm cracking my knuckles. It isn't exactly difficult, as you see. Let me get honey pie.
And you have a void inside another object. So it's like basically but you
It
can't
isn't
figure out
like
what
difficult to comprehend.
when cabins, doors, when like the index does doors, maybe
Don't ask. I don't even know why I have a here.
it's basically very useful in many cases, like well, this. I mean, and there's also another thing I believe with this. There is arrays, which I can show soon. Here, yes. Arrays. Around like that. Around.
A lot of this is really just Like
Yeah, right.
magical.
Basically, what a array is like yeah, basically what a array is, it's just like this. Array is basically
Looking through this, I realize
you can have multiple things with lots of things.
is something off. I don't know.
Five things instead of one. You can move them into place, and if you hide them,
Is
you
it?
have more words inside the block you have.
Okay, I just hit Control S to check something. Okay, yeah, it's good. Still good.
Basically, arrays make multiple objects of the same size, same stuff, with one object, which is really useful.
Oh yeah, by the way, you want to say
If you would make that
there's the
house,
boring detail of
selected all of these arrays,
Excel.
which is very nice. And I believe that is all. Bye. Yeah, that's it. Right.
Yeah, Excel and stuff like. It's actually more along the lines of, because you can just go to data, get data, whatever, from where, blah blah blah, from text, CSV, which we use CSV. Then you scroll down. It's like. I am kind of confused as to why Nintendo is several separate and different, things at once. Because, like, you can see this stuff is wildly new. Here's the thing, everything is a pain in the goddamn ass. Technical.
You feel good now? All good, okay?
As you see, you just, because if you want to highlight the whole thing, just from top and then hold left click. There's also other stuff I can have. As you can see, it's a lot of the same stuff. As you can see, it's a pivot table. So if I remove this, and then genre, which let's just move this aside.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Can you export?
As you can see,
Or you want to make more?
it is
edit?
kind of obvious what the hell is going on here. If you wonder, this is from like sales from countries that have not registered. Well, not registered, so they're not they're unknown countries, but like the sense that the country sends data without telling them what country it is. So like, it's what the hell. That's other sales, by the way. This is North America. And as you can see, gaming is popular in North America and Europe. Strange how Europeans tend to value this.
Just the easy as well. When does it happen?
So let's start. Anywho, moving that aside.